baby care lineup we supply can answer to all market requirements in terms of capability and product structures. We supply the Access baby diaper at 600 pieces per minute, the XL baby diaper at 700 pieces per minute, the XL Pro baby diaper at 800 pieces per minute, the XL baby pant at 600 pieces per minute, the XL Pro baby pant at 800 pieces per minute. Important added value from ANDRITZ Diatec is our capability to give quick answers to market demand changes. This is the reason why ANDRITZ Diatec has recently developed the XL Pro baby pant machine at 800 pieces per minute, enriching the baby care machinery lineup to match the recent very high increase in demand for baby pants. Each line is characterized by high-precision mechanical engineering and automation, and therefore by high reliability and flexibility. Both for baby diapers and baby pants, the core forming section is for sure a top-notch technology we provide to satisfy not only our customers' quality requirements, but also the needs of end users related to product performances in terms of protection, reliability and absorbency. Also, baby care solutions are extremely flexible for product size change and format change, which is a must for baby care market as competitiveness is very strong and product features can change day by day. This is another characteristic of our solutions that help customers to stay competitive yet being able to assure quality and reliability.